Hi there, welcome back. My name is Gina and I have an unboxing for you today. It's actually a re-unboxing and show and tell of a new bag that I just got from Coach. It's something that I've kind of had on my list for a while. It's a style that is a re-edition or a reissue, and I've loved the vintage version or the original version. So without further ado, I'll just get right to it. So I've already opened the package, but it arrived really well packaged this time. Sometimes I gripe with Coach because it'll come pretty battered, but everything looks really good. So I was really pleased with that. Really glad that it wasn't coming in super janky. You might be able to tell from the size of the box what I ordered. Here we go, little Coach dust bag. I'm actually not the biggest fan of the Coach dust bags. They're just very like slick and polyester feeling, but I got the Coach Dinky reissue. This is originally released in 1974, I believe, and I got it in the black glove tan leather, and I absolutely love it. It has the classic brass turn lock closure, and then open it up, and we have genuine glove tan leather embossed here. It comes with two straps, which is one reason why I decided not to go vintage and to just get this one, because it comes with two different straps, and it has this back flap pocket. So I'll just show you. I haven't actually detached the straps yet because I literally just got it in, but here they are. I'll cut these little plastic thingies off and show you a little more about the bag. Okay, so these are the two straps that this bag comes with. The first one is this brass like classic chain strap, and it's a little bit shorter. I think it's a 9-inch drop. And then the other is this thin leather strap, and it's not a crossbody, it's still a shoulder strap, and that one's about a 12-inch drop. Both have the clasp hardware on either side, and I think you can also get additional straps, like if you wanted to wear this crossbody. I think because of the baguette like length of it and how wide east-west it is, I wouldn't actually want to wear this one crossbody. I feel like it might be a little awkward on my frame, but you could get a longer strap and do crossbody as well, or use a strap you already have. So I'm going to first add this one on so you can see. And on this bag has the two little tags, which is really sweet. Classic Coach tag, it's double-sided leather. And then this one, the second tag, says the Dinky, and it actually says limited re-edition 1974. So in case you can see that, hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna put my longer strap on, and then I can show you what it looks like, maybe in like a cutaway. So this is the purse with the longer strap on. Close her up. I just think it's just such a classic style. I really love just like this for everyday wear. You know, even though it doesn't hold a ton, I think that it still is like enough, you know, phone, wallet, keys, maybe lip gloss, a little bit of extra. Inside, let me take out these packets. So inside, you see you have this long compartment, which definitely fits a phone. And then you have the back zip pocket, which is lined in fabric. And then you have this front flap pocket, which is great for just slipping anything. I mean, technically my phone could fit in there, but like little pieces of paper and things like that could slide right in that front pocket, so for easy access. And then again, the back flap pocket, this little slip pocket, which I just love. It's very efficient, but yet it has some good like compartmentalization. So that's it with this strap. Super adorable. Then you can add on the second strap with it and style it with the two straps. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, and that's the little bag with the two straps. Looks pretty. I like it. And then if you just want this strap, of course, I feel like this with just the brass strap will be more of an evening kind of look when I want a little more hardware. And yeah, I don't really have a good evening bag in my like rotation. I have like one clutch, but it's not really, it's a bag I've had for so many years and I don't really use it as a clutch. It's like a Baggu pebbled leather, very soft like pouch. It's yeah, not very structured, and I'm more into structured bags these days. But yeah, I think this is just beautiful and classic, and it'll go with anything, whether it's like dressier and a really nice dress for evening, or even if it's just like a top and jeans. I think it's super, super versatile. It's very substantial, like the weight of this is quite a bit, but since it's such a small bag, it doesn't make the bag like unreasonably heavy. And yeah, so that's it with that. I'll do a cutaway wearing this as well. And then the last way, and this is like what I discovered after it arrived. So you can actually tuck in these little D-rings into the bag. I mean, I guess you could leave them out, but I like tucking them in nice and neat and closing it, and then wearing this as a clutch. So it's like such a perfect clutch size. It fits really nicely into my hand. It's got a little bit of, you know, space and structure on the bottom. So, you know, you're not just holding like an envelope style clutch. And I think it just looks really, really lovely, like down at my side as a clutch. So I was like, oh, this is kind of four bags in one. Plus you can always change out your straps. So it's just such a wonderful style. I'm so, so glad the coach brought it back. I think compared to the original vintage version, it's a little bit longer. And maybe, I think there's definitely more compartments. So there's some differences for sure. This also has a slight contrast to the stitching. So it's like a dark gray stitching, which I'm not usually a fan of contrast stitching, but I think it's actually very elegant on this bag. And yeah, that's the little Coach Dinky. I love it. If this comes in the red, the classic red color, or like cherry red, I think I would get that as well, because I feel like this would be really, really beautiful in the red. I love the bottle green too, but I have a Coach duffel in the bottle green, so I don't think I need two glove tan leather like bottle green bags in my collection. But this in the red, I'm sold. Anyway, let me know if you want to see what fits in this bag. I could do another video that just shows exactly how much I can fit in there and how I fit it. Otherwise, I hope this was useful or helpful if you're interested in this bag and you needed to see like a little more up close. And yeah, leave any questions in the comments. All right, bye.